Good morning. Sorry I forgot to put an intro on my last vlog. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize what I was doing. But it's just like yesterday. I'm stuck inside all day this time. It's raining. It's cold. What is it? Tomorrow? Yeah, what the heck, man? It's like July. And it's like, what, 59? What the heck? That's stupid. It should be like 80, 85. But anyway, I'm gonna try and do something today, whether it be in the house or not. But yeah, I'm not doing anything today either. Let's get the day started. Do you enjoy doing this, bird? Jesus. Hey, bird. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, geez, you got... Yeah? I can do the same thing to you. How am I gonna put you back in your cage? Whatever. Daisy. You got the most creepy eyes. What are you doing? You wanna eat your thing? Eat that. Go. Go. See, it's always freaking raining. It's been raining for like 5 days now. 5 days and 5 nights of rain. Ouch. There's birds over there. There's a bird at that bird feeder. There's nothing over there at that squirrel feeder. Yeah. Alright, so... Oh, geez, my clock doesn't work, whatever. It's about... 11:44, you can probably see. Yeah, 11:44, right? It's about time I start making lunch. So... I'm going to show you guys... Okay, so first off, I'm going to show you guys what I'm making. I'm going to be making... I can't see. Tomato soup. With grilled cheese. I can try it with grilled cheese. I think I have enough. So I'll show you guys step by step of what I do. And personally, in my own opinion, I think it turns out really great. So, you got 2 cans of those. Hold on, I'll show you. It is 304 grams, 10.75 ounces. Sorry. Alright. So, the first thing I get out of the fridge is milk. So, we get milk. 2 cans of tomato soup. Alright, you get this, so I'm going to put this here, so I'm going to put that there, grab the 2 cans of this, put them here, got the milk, put it there. Alright, so, wow, that makes me mad. Yeah, Disney looks really, 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 really thick right now. That's why I got a spoon. So we get that out of there. Cut the thing. Alright. Should I add a second can?
No.
No?
Oh, and that, yeah, I should. Yeah, you should. We got, oh shoot, sorry. We got 1% low-fat milk. No, I'm joking. Add in the second can.
So you want the flame low, but not like really low. So, man, sorry if it's dark. See, it doesn't look too good right now. It just needs to cook. Needs to cook for a few minutes. So I've been cooking this for about a minute now. It's been on the low flame. Wow, you can't even see with the light. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's been cooking for about a minute. You see how it's kind of thick? That's why you want to get more water. You add 1 cup of milk. Because the milk, it can just make it way too creamy and not even good. So you get a cup of this. Don't add it all. Just wait until this, just wait and see, how thick depends on how thick you want it. If you want it thick, then add a cup of milk and half of a cup of water and you're good. But if you don't want it thick and you want it really, really soupy, then keep adding water. So this is what I add. I tend to add parsley flakes to mine because it just makes it taste way better, you know? So you start adding it after you put everything in and you got it to just the right thickness. Don't overflow it with parsley flakes. Just add them. You see this? Since this is a lot, this is a big pot of it, you're going to add more. But if you're only making it for yourself, then only add a spoonful. See? There you go. Oop, forgot to throw this away. Okay. So that's what your tomato soup's going to look like, kind of. When it's finished, it's going to look just a little darker. That's what it really looks like right now. It's going to look only a tiny bit darker, not too much. Alright, so... So you add your cheese to the bread. Butter, make sure to put butter on the bread. So this, yeah, that's done. And that is done. Boom, boom. It's off. Okay. Alright. So I take this. That's enough for me, alright. Perfect. It came out perfect. So my brother's going to be making his own grilled cheese. And we'll bring it to the other room and see how it tastes. So there it is, all finished, ready to eat. Might want to eat with a plastic spoon, otherwise you're going to burn your mouth. And that's the grilled cheese. You just dip it in there and then eat it. It's really good. Look at this right here. And look at that. Comparison. Black, cloudy, black, oh shoot, cloudy, oh Jesus. Just wait, you're gonna see some lightning or something. Dude, it's so dark, it's not even funny. Well, I'm gonna go I didn't do anything today. I hope you guys enjoyed this rather brief video. Oh, are you seen that? Probably not. But yeah. You can see how it transitions from like super cloudy to like extreme dark. It's right at sundown, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.